Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Ford Fiesta door lock. We'll walk through the entire process, from identifying the problem to successfully fixing it. Whether your lock is sticking, not engaging, or completely broken, this guide will help you tackle the repair with confidence. We'll cover the essential tools you'll need and important safety tips to ensure a smooth and successful job. Let's get your Fiesta's door locking smoothly again. First, we need to gain access to the door lock mechanism. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic boot or cap located near the door handle. Inside, you'll find a T20 Torx screw. Loosen this screw several turns, but do not remove it completely. This allows the external door lock cylinder to slide out. Next, use a panel removal tool to detach the interior door panel, exposing the internal components. Now, let's get to the heart of the repair. Disconnect all electrical connectors from the door lock actuator and unclip any associated cables from the door latch or handle. You'll typically find 3 T30 Torx bolts holding the entire door latch assembly to the door frame. Loosen and remove these bolts. With the fasteners out, carefully maneuver and extract the faulty lock actuator or latch assembly from the door cavity. With your new or repaired components ready, it's time for reassembly. Carefully guide the lock assembly back into its position and secure it with the 3 T30 Torx bolts, tightening them properly. Reconnect all cables and electrical connectors, ensuring they are seated correctly. Before reinstalling the door panel, thoroughly test the door's locking and unlocking functions, both manually and with your key or remote, to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.